Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to start affiliate marketing if you're in a tight budget. Now here's the disclaimer. These are not necessarily the best softwares out there, but they're the best ones considering that you are in a budget, which was my case 1 month ago. When I started, I was on a budget and I still use them. They're pretty good. They're just not very expensive. For instance, ClickFunnels is $97 a month for the lowest pricing they have. Now, $97 a month is very expensive. Most people cannot afford that as you're starting out.
That instead of using ClickFunnels, I recommend you start using GetResponse, at least when you're starting out. GetResponse not only has email marketing, which is their main focus, but it also contains landing pages, which has worked perfectly for me. So instead of you paying $97 for the lowest price in ClickFunnels, for GetResponse, you only have to start out with $15 a month. That's it. $15 a month as opposed to $97 is a big difference. A huge difference. So you can always start out with GetResponse instead of ClickFunnels. At some point you might look into transitioning to ClickFunnels, which is a thing, because ClickFunnels, like I said, may have better software. But that's only in the future as you get more email subscribers, as you start making more money, etc. Now, when it comes to domains, I want you to make sure that you are using a domain for your website, because realistically it just looks much more professional. So the two websites I recommend for you looking into is GoDaddy and Namecheap. For example, me personally, I have a domain on GoDaddy because they usually have some sales, and I got mine for $3.97. It was 3 something, I'm pretty sure, for a year. But that's only for the first year, because after the first year, I realized that GoDaddy is not the best one after the first year. So after the first year, I'll probably transition to either Namecheap or Bluehost. But essentially, so we're gonna search up. It can be a random one. I'll go Murillo Affiliates. Let's search this domain on both of them. So right here, as of recording, July 5, GoDaddy is $11.99 for the first year, and then after that I believe it's probably $18.99. But let's look in Namecheap now. Let's see what they're going for there. Murillo Affiliate, $8.80 a year. So you would 100% get, in this case for this domain, now make sure you're looking for your own domain, of course. You would go for Namecheap. Oh, actually, never mind. $5.98 would be on Namecheap. So you would 100% go with Namecheap right now. Now, sometimes you may want to wait for GoDaddy to have a promotion, but I would not recommend that because I don't really know how much. Because I don't really know how often they have these promotions, so I would just really recommend you going for Namecheap because starting out as soon as possible is just really the best thing you can do. And then after that, after you're done with your landing page, after you're done with your opt-in page, your email marketing, and your traffic sources, you could maybe look into expanding your horizons to YouTube. And that's where I would recommend you using VidIQ, which is essentially a platform that is designed to help you with your tags, with your SEO on YouTube. So, but that's of course only when you already have, for example, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and then you're going to look into this. But I would still recommend you using VidIQ as opposed to TubeBuddy.
This is me from the future, and I realized that I didn't explain why TubeBuddy is worse than VidIQ in my opinion. Now here's what I believe. VidIQ is much better than TubeBuddy just for the fact that it has a much more updated, cleaner style than TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy feels like it's YouTube like 2010. So a lot of this stuff, they don't update it, and I feel like it's much more beginner friendly VidIQ, which is why I promote VidIQ instead of TubeBuddy. I just wanted to explain that to you guys real quick. Back to the video. That was pretty much the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow, and remember to hit that bell. If you want to use my affiliate links, the links are in the description. It'll help me out a lot. Thank you, and have a great day. Peace.
Now, when it comes to domains, and I want to
these videos for you guys more and more with more consistency and just help you guys. Actually, let me remake that.